Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, it's starting to become a little stable ever since we received another flash crash where Bitcoin broke the support at 96,000 and actually retested below 94,000. But it's very clear that right now there is a lot of whales which are trying to maintain the market to ensure that the Bitcoin market is able to consolidate as more and more inflow of cash will arrive as we get closer to the end of the year and the new year. The big January is going to start. The category that a lot of people are paying attention to right now is definitely meme coins. As you can see that as Bitcoin was climbing a little bit, most of the meme coins were also doing very well, such as Pepe is up 2%, Bonk is up about 2%, and there is one token which I have been paying attention to. I mentioned this about 3 days ago, and that's Wall Street Pepe. Just to give you guys perspective, this company, or you can say this team that's actually working on this token, has done some crazy things back in the day. One of their biggest releases being Unchained Pepe. This is their second one, which is Wall Street Pepe with a similar concept. It's very similar as they are pretty much trade like Pepe by Wepe. Crypto pre-sale. Wall Street Pepe hates that whales are hiding in the insider group, so he decides to make his own. Join the Wepe token army, frog strong together. At this point, what's really interesting is this token is still in pre-sale stage, and the pre-sale is going to be coming to an end very soon. They've already raised about $35 million. Their previous project, which was Unchained Pepe, actually started close to 300 million. That was the starting market cap after the pre-sale. So that should give you perspective how much is still left with this token. Now, to give you perspective, catch the whales. We need to ensure that they do not manipulate the market. The rich frog march together. Once all the frogs are able to stick together, there will be more room for growth. And then there is the frog street takeover. So they're just pretty much talking about Wall Street, but it's going to be called Frog Street. And you guys know how much attention Pepe is receiving right now. Fast lane to fortune. Just to give you perspective, if you guys do want to purchase this token, it's actually very easy. You simply just need to go ahead and make your way to the link in the description. It will take you to this website. When you're here, you guys can just go ahead and select buy with card or buy with crypto. If you decide to select crypto, just connect your wallet. Then you guys just need to decide how much Ethereum or BNB or USDT you would like to convert into Wepe, and then it will give you the amount. Right now, one Wepe is about 0.0036. And in about 4 hours the price will be climbing again. Their Twitter page has a pretty decent following with 26,000 followers, and their posts are also getting good influence. I mean, 16 hours, 12,000 views. There is definitely a lot of names which are paying attention to this token, and their starting one, which was on the 4th of December, has nearly 200,000 views. The Telegram has about 11,000 subscribers, and their audit has no problems at all. I mean, you can see mint, blacklist, honeypot, fees, trading enabled, everything is perfect. If you do decide to purchase it right now, you can actually go ahead and stake the token before it goes live. Right now you receive about 38% per annum, which is obviously going to go down as more and more tokens are going to be opened. Right now the supply, if you guys want to talk about what is the total supply, you can see that the total supply is close to 200 billion, and the full tokenomics you can see over here. If you do want to go through the white paper, you guys will be able to see every little detail in terms of what you are looking for. But as more and more supply is going to be opened, it will be given to the people who are staking it. If you do want to purchase it, honestly, this, in my opinion, it is a good investment. And I do want to mention, this is not financial advice. Do your own research before you decide to buy into it. But the reason I like this token is due to the fact that the team behind it, and the fact that last time when I made a video about it, in about 2 to 3 days, it's already gained close to $1.2 million more in the pre-sale. Already gives you perspective how much attention they are actually receiving. And this attention is obviously going to get more and more as they have more influence over Twitter and more influence over Telegram. There is some big companies. I mean, if you just do a simple Google search, you will realize there's some big companies like Crypto Potato, Brave New Coin, Global Newswire, and Cointelegraph that have actually talked about this project. So there's definitely more room for this to grow. Other than that, if you do want to purchase it, the link will be in the description. If you enjoyed this video, want more, subscribe, drop a like on it, and I'll see you very soon.